Big girl, you gonna help me? You gonna help me cook? Huh? Hey everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I've had a few people ask what Cajun seasoning is, and some people are out of the country and can't get what we can get here. So I'm gonna put together a Cajun seasoning mix that they can use or you can use on instead of buying it at the store. Okay, first you're going to need 2 teaspoons of ground basil, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 3 teaspoons of ground sage. This stuff makes a mess. 2 teaspoons of thyme, 4 teaspoons of mustard powder, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, so I didn't realize it, but the camera was off. So after the black pepper comes 2½ teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 4 teaspoons of celery salt, and then a 1/4 cup chili powder. Well, girl, you don't want to be up here for this. Two tablespoons of smoked paprika, and then a 1/2 cup of Himalayan salt. And then we're just going to mix it all together. Hopefully I don't choke from the pepper. And then after you're done, you can just put it into any airtight container. And use it as needed. There you go. Cajun seasoning.